What's up, y'all? I just crafted Atlas, or I didn't just craft it now. I crafted it like a week ago, but I couldn't record because I was at my mom's. And at my mom's, I can't record and stuff. But yeah, I just got the Atlas. I love it, and also I bought Prodigy here. Here you can see, and then I also bought what's it called? Invisible gears. Oh wait, let me just turn there. Okay, look. See here. Let me just change this. There, and yep. See you in the next one, and maybe go watch some of my other vids if you haven't already seen me. Yeah.